Guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Binwa, and you guys are wanting to know me as Ugo, but my name is Miss Binwa. And technically I shouldn't be bearing Miss Binwa because I got married legally, court wedding last week, so now I should be Mrs. Juba. But anyway, it's your girl Miss Binwa, and I am here today with quite a different kind of video. So we all know that YouTube makeup started from somewhere. There is a YouTube community and all that, and I decided to recreate one of the videos from back when YouTube started, and I was looking for the first YouTube video, well, the first YouTube makeup tutorial, and I came across this lady called Phan. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I came across this lady called Phan. This is Phan. And today I am going to be recreating this look on her. I watched the video. I really respect her because she was actually the first lady to put a video, like a makeup tutorial here on YouTube. And apparently she's a legend because, she paved the way for all of us. And yes, I will be following her makeup tutorial today. The one I'm following today is the natural looking makeup. That was the first ever makeup tutorial to be put on YouTube. So you guys should wish me luck, because when I watched it, she did some abracadabra, and when you're dark skin, abracadabra doesn't work like that, you're gonna see some patches like that, but yeah, we're gonna give it a try. Let's see what it was like back then. I'm going to follow this tutorial. I think I'm talking too much now. Before I go, subscribe to my channel. Help your girl. Give this video a thumbs up without even watching it. Yes, I said so. Give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to leave a comment on what you'd like to see next, and again, subscribe to this channel. Okay, now let's get right into the video. Like I said earlier, the one we're going for today is the natural looking makeup tutorial. It was the first makeup tutorial on YouTube, so let's see. She's actually a very pretty girl. So she says the first thing that it says is cleanse, tone, and moisturize. So I've not done, okay, I have cleaned, but I have not toned. Okay, so I have cleansed my face. I cleansed my face before starting this video, so now I am going to tone. Guess what, guys? I got up, went to get my toner, and then I did not bring it to home. Life is hard. I am using my Skin Doctor Multi-Action Toner, and I am going to tone my face. This has glycerin and rose water. So like I said, I already cleansed my face, so I am now going to tone this face. So next I'm going to moisturize using the Revolution Hyaluronic Acid moisturizer or serum. It's a plumping and hydrating solution. Now I'm just going to take some of that, and I'm going to moisturize my face. Okay, this is okay. I really like this stuff. It is very, very, very hydrating. Very hydrating. Like, can I emphasize? And it gives you like a little glow. Oh, so nice.
Surprised? Don't be. Now, tilt your head down and locate where your dark circles are.
Here.
Take your concealer, using your ring finger, and gently apply it to where it's located.
Okay, so now she's concealing dark circles. My girl went straight into dark circles, no primer. She's actually going to be using concealer for what they actually created concealer for. Concealers are more high coverage because they, tend to cover dark circles, dark spots on your face. That's what concealers are made for. But over the days, makeup evolved, and they were used for highlighting and contouring. So that's what I feel, because our parents used to buy concealers that were their skin tone before, not like 2 shades lighter. That was what was happening. But now we're all drag queens. Including me, yes. So the concealer I'm going to be using today is the Black Opal Total Coverage face and body concealer. This concealer is in my exact skin tone rather. Yeah, skin tone, skin shade, whichever one. It's my exact skin tone, so I'm just going to use this on the under eyes. All right, so she said to use your ring finger. Oh my, look at my nails. Look at my nails are not meant for this tutorial. So she said to look down, and then she said to look down and put it in with your ring finger. So obviously I have a bit of darkness here, as you can see. I'm just going to take some of that concealer and do what she did. I can't believe, like, wow. Okay, let's see. This is my ring finger. Gosh, I'm struggling. Oh, that covered my dark circle. Oh. All right, so my dark circles are covered. I guess I did an okay job at that.
Now it's time to conceal other areas on the face. Taking a brush and mineral concealer, apply lightly around areas where it tends to be very red.
What is a mineral concealer? Is it a mineral powder? Is it a full coverage powder? Is it... What is that? I don't know what what did she call it again? A mineral concealer is. I want to believe it's a powder or it's a full coverage powder. Fam, I don't know what that is. Fam, I don't know what a mineral concealer is. Okay, so I'm just going to use the my MAC Dark Skin Mineralized Powder. Maybe that. It's powder from what I saw, and she took a fluffy brush and she put it. She said to put in places it tends to get red, but I can see that this video is going to be all over the place. That she first went under the eye. Oh my Jesus. Under the eye. And she's trying to even out the skin tone. She went under the eye. She went on the nose. And she went on her forehead. And she went on. She said places you get red. I get red here. I get red here. Hold on. I get red here, and she said in second motion. So this is the mineral.
Moving on to foundation, take your brush and evenly coat it with the mineral-based foundation. And starting from the center of your face, apply it on.
She just used the same brush she used to apply her mineral concealer to apply her foundation. Where am I headed in life? So next she applied a mineral foundation. I'm just going to take a lightweight foundation. So I'm going to take the Anastasia foundation. This is the luminous foundation in the shade 450. So I'm just going to take, I'm actually not looking bad. So I'm going to take a bit of this. She had a compact foundation, but I don't have a compact foundation. So I'm going to put a bit of this on my plate. Oh, this is weird. I'm just going to spread it on the plate so it packs up on the brush evenly. I just spread it on the plate like that. All right, time for failure because I'm going to fail at this. Let's attempt this. She starts from her nose. So I'm just spreading. Okay, I think I know why she's using that brush. It's not a dense brush, so it will help, avoid full coverage. Said don't forget your neck because some of you still be forgetting your neck in this day and time, and she just keeps going in nice circle. All right, wow.
Eyebrows can be a little tricky, and the rule of thumb is to go 3 shades lighter than your hair color.
We're leaving the face. We're leaving it like this. I'm having anxiety. So for eyebrows, she said to go 2 to 3 shades lighter than your brow hairs, which is true because my brow hairs are actually very dark and they're almost like black, but we use things like dark brown, and and it makes it nicer because you cannot just draw black hair, black, like if I make it black I'll look weird. So the key is to use 2 shades or 3 shades lighter, and she did not lie. So I am going to be using the Binwa Luxe Brow Pencil in True Brown.
What I'm using is powder,
Whoa.
and I'm going from light to dark. Remember, you want to make it look very natural, as if it's your real eyebrows. So make sure you blend.
Alright, so I don't have any powder products. I'm just going to use this one, my brow pencil. I already have a lot of brow hairs, so I'm just going to, just sketch mostly the end. She said try to make it look natural, like it's your brow. So that's what I'm doing. I've sketched out the end. So now I'm just going to sketch the front. Alright, that looks natural enough, and I'm just going to do the other brown now.
There are varieties of eyeliners you can choose from, like pencil, powder, or in this case, liquid. If you want a more natural, clean look, only line the top part of your lids.
So now she goes straight into eyeliner, which I haven't done in ages, and I'm so scared. And she lines her eyes. So she lines her eyes like very close to the lash line. I've not done this in forever, and I'm like, why am I even doing this? I'm rethinking this video because I am failing. But yeah, this is what she does next. She goes very close to her lash line and she lines. I've not done this in like forever. Okay. Doing my right eye is very easy. Doing my left eye is World War II. And we're still going. Phan. Yeah, I noticed she didn't like give a wing or anything, which is what we're doing right now. Okay, so I went off camera and did my left eye, and you can see I struggled because it's not looking anything like this one. Maybe I'm the only one that can see it, but yeah.
Now, take your mascara and evenly coat your lashes. There are many different types of mascara.
Why am I feeling so silly? So I'm just going to pretend like I'm coiling something, which I know I'm not. It's just the last picture. That's that. For mascara today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline mascara. This is the Lash Sensational Lucious mascara. She started from the bottom for her lashes. Alright, up, down. Started up, down. Yeah. Okay, so my lashes are straight, they don't like curl up. So I actually think I should get a lash curler. Okay, let's see what else she did.
Using blush is a great way to achieve a natural looking glow. Try finding the apples of your cheeks by smiling and apply it, blending it in. Apply along the jawline and the forehead for an all-natural glow.
Oh wow, this video is wonderful. Okay, so for blush, she said to put the blush on the apple of your cheeks. Said to put the blush on the apple of your cheeks right here. Put it right here. She said to also put it on your forehead. I did this thing before, but then it cut off. I don't know what happened. And she said to put on your jawline. I'm just gonna put a bit on my nose because I like blush. Yeah, so she really like puts like her contour. Well, we're going into lips, and for lips, she said take any lipstick you like, experiment, play. For me, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe lipstick. This is Flirt. I'm just going to take a bit of it and pop that on. Trying to get something to make this face pop. Yeah, I like this one. And then next she took her gloss, and I'm going to take my Beauty by AD lip gloss. Oh no, I'm going to take the Morphe lip gloss. So this is Morphe, and this is in the shade Free Bird, and I'm just going to put that all over my lips. And here, okay.
Now it's time to check how successful you are with achieving the natural look with makeup.
She said now it's time to check how successful you were at achieving natural look. Was I successful? So did I succeed? Okay, so I have my everyday routine that I do. It consists of my normal, almost like my normal skin routine, but everything is just a bit lighter. But there's bronzer, there's a lot of things going on. But for this, I can see where she's going with this makeup. I look nice. I could just use this to step out, go watch a movie. I do those without makeup on, because when I want to beat my face, I go all out. It's a full beat most times. It's a natural glam, but a natural glam is almost like the same process with a full beat. So, you see people saying everyday makeup tutorial, you see concealer, powder, this, foundation, everything. And this is actually what you can do in 5 minutes. This is what you can do in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and you're out of the house. And actually, I look decent. I look very, very decent. This is me just enhancing what I already have, giving myself blush. I like the fact that she used blush because I like blush. But there was no bronzer. I thought there should have been some bronzer. But actually, if you ask my fiance or if you ask my husband what he thinks about this makeup, he'll be like, this is how I want you to look for the rest of your life. Every day we go out, this is what he will ask for. But child, yeah, tell me what you guys think. I think I look very nice. I think it looks very subtle, very sweet. And we're really thankful to Michelle for creating, making us see that we can do this. From what I can see, she left the platform, and I think she's now back, and she has her own makeup line, M Cosmetics. I actually did my research on this lady. I really did my research. And yeah, this was the first ever, makeup look on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I was lost at some point until this lady was doing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget again, like I said in the beginning, to subscribe to your girl's channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now that you have finished watching it, really give it a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. It helps my videos. And do not forget to share and leave a comment down below and just let me know what you think about this look. And if you would like to shop the Binwa brow pencils, the link is down below for you to shop. It comes in 2 shades, and I am already working on expanding to more shades. Like I said, I created just 2 shades because of my demography here. I'm in an African country, but I want to go global, so I'm creating shades for everyone. Yes, because I married a UK citizen, so I'll be going to the UK soon. So I'm trying to expand the market, and yeah, that's just it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Mwah.